Hi, and welcome to Hablemos More. In this video, we will be going over the Spanish alphabet, el alfabeto. We will first start with a review of the Spanish vowels. So, repite después de mí, repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. Right? Una vez más, let's do that again. A, E, I, O, U. Right? Great. Okay. In front of each letter, we're going to have a little note so that we know how to pronounce that letter. What is the name of that letter? But this is based on the Spanish vowels, so keep that in mind. Okay, here we go. Una vez más, repite después de mí. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, kind of like you're saying, hey, right? G, H. Right, so the H in Spanish is actually silent. So this is literally what you're saying. H, I, jota, K, L, erre. Okay, so here you have a couple of choices. In Mexico, for example, they tend to do a softer sound. So, erre, erre. I'm from Colombia, so I do a little bit stronger sound. Erre. Then let's say someone from Argentina, they do even a stronger sound. Erre. You figure out what works for you. The main thing is it's not just a simple L sound, right? So again, your choices, L, erre, erre. M, N, ñ. Right, this is a new letter for you, right? So it's almost like you got to wrinkle your nose. Ñ, ñ. O, P, Q, R, R. Stronger sound, right? R. Just trust it. R. S, T, U, V. A different name for it, B. Some people like to clarify and say B corta, as in short, B. All right, so in Espanol, we do not differentiate between a B and a V sound. So when we say this, it sounds just like a B. V, B. Again, so if you keep that in mind, it would be easy to get it confused with B as in B, right? So to clarify it, sometimes people, when spelling a word or something like that, they'll go B corta. Just choices that you have. Doble B. Equis. Y. Another name for it is J. We will have some episodes in which we go over some syllables, and be sure to check out those episodes. We will go over detail the different sounds the J and all the sounds all these different vowels make. It would be great to help you understand pronunciation in Espanol. Okay, and then lastly, zeta. Okay. Want to mention that che, erre, and erre are not listed as separate letters in the Spanish dictionary. Think about how a dictionary works, right? So let's say I'm looking for a word that starts with a CH. So the dictionary will go CA, CB, CC, and so on until eventually it gets to CH, right? Well, that's the same concept with all of these. We cover them for the purpose of understanding their pronunciation. I think there's some validity to it. It's nice and also helps you understand, let's say, when you're breaking a word down, that you're not going to separate these letters, right? And again, this makes more sense when we see specific examples. So be sure to check out our pronunciation videos. Okay, now let's put it all together. I'm going to put the mouse right under the letter, and we'll go in order. Then for the fun of it, we'll just go in different orders and test our skills. So here we go. A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, or B corta, doble B, X, Y, or Y, zeta. Okay, great. Now let's try to go out of order. M, U, D, zeta, Q, I, R, J, A, Ch, L, T, S, M, V, W, C. Great, excellent. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. We will be adding lots of helpful content. See you soon.